Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am present before you in front of class 6 with the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas and a very interesting topic, that is circle. तो पढ़ते हैं circle के बारे में. Before that I just want to show you something. What is the shape of this bangle? See, what is the shape of this bangle? This is what? Circle. So bangle is circle भी हो सकता है, rectangle भी हो सकता है, rectangle also. But circle means in day-to-day life what you can see. What is the shape of the sun? That is circle. What is the shape of your pizza? That is circle. Roti, that is circle. Okay. So we will read something more about circle. Shapes so you all know. Shapes so all you know, that is square, rectangle, triangle, quadrilateral. Now we'll come to what? Circle. Circle क्या होता है? Circle means गोलाकार. In Hindi we are that saying this. The meaning of this is गोलाकार. गोल आकार का जो होता है, that is circle. Now we will study something more about circle. See, this is a circle. Just I draw. This one बिल्कुल बीच में, the center of the circle. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Suppose I have named it O. So what is O here? O को हम क्या बोलेंगे? This is what? Center. This is what? Center. Right, children? Now center of the circle is this one. Now see, I have drawn distance. I have drawn this line, okay, from center to the boundary. This is the boundary of the circle. This is the boundary of the circle. अब I have drawn from the center to the boundary. एक line draw की, और यहाँ पे भी एक line draw की, यहाँ पे भी एक line draw की, and I have drawn one more line here, one more line here, one more line here. And when I measured it, suppose I am having this diary, I measured it, it is here, this one is here, this one is here. That means what I found that कि center से boundary तक का distance पूरे circle का क्या है? Same है. पूरे circle का same होता है from center to the boundary. Distance from the center to the boundary is same. And that is why we call it what? इन सबको हम क्या कहते हैं? Radius. What we call it? Radius. So I'm writing it here. This is what? Radius. This is the radius of the circle. इसको भी हम एक नाम दे देते हैं. This is point A. So how you'll name the center is what? Center को हमने क्या नाम दिया? O. And radius we call what? OA. OA. Right? Now let us come to the next. देखो OA, और यहाँ पे इसको नाम दे दिया हमने B. OA and OB, इन दोनों रेडियस को जब हमने ज्वाइन कर दिया, means a line that touches, that passes through the center and touches the boundary of the circle on another side, that is known as what? दो रेडियस को मिला देने से what we get? Diameter. Diameter. Now diameter को आप कैसे लिखेंगे? A and B. AB is the diameter. So diameter is also known as what? 2 into radius. 2 into radius. दो radius को मिलाने से what we got? We will get what? Diameter. Now next thing is, if suppose I'm just rubbing this, okay. Now I have drawn one line segment here, okay. इसको मैंने टच नहीं किया सेंटर से, right? इसको मैंने नाम दे दिया C और इसको नाम दे दिया D. I named it C and D. I have taken 2 points on the boundary, but that line is not touching the center of the circle. ठीक है, ये बाहर के साइड. So what is this known as? This is known as chord. This is known as chord. So These are the elements of the circle. See, the fourth one is chord. अब chord क्या होता है? Chord, diameter is also one of the chord, means boundary. किसी भी पॉइंट से, एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट को, सर्कल की बाउंड्री के ऊपर कोई और पॉइंट है, उसके ऊपर टच करती हुई लाइन, दैट लाइन इज नोन एज व्हाट? chord. The longest chord is diameter. Diameter को हम क्या कहते हैं? Longest chord. Okay, longest chord of the circle is diameter. This is diameter. Diameter is the what? Longest chord. Right, children? Now, chord, अच्छा, chord को आप नाम दे दो, that is CD. Right? So we got radius, center, diameter, chord. Some more things are there. So let us see that, because these are very common terms. This you know. Some more things I'll just tell you. So children, let us come to the next point, that is arc. अब arc क्या होता है? Suppose C और D. Okay, I have drawn like this. ये जो C और D on the boundary, the curved line, this is known as arc. मतलब C D आप ऐसे लिखोगे, this means arc. This is minor arc. ये छोटा arc है, but if we'll go from this side, this is major arc. तो minor arc, this is minor arc, और major arc क्या हो जाएगा? Major arc CD. This means this one, bigger one. Right? The curved area, na? The curved line, you can say, the curved line, CD, is known as arc. Ab chord, suppose this one, wait, suppose children, here we have read chord, आपका minor arc, major arc, I have written here minor arc and major arc. इसके बाद हम लोग आते हैं, next is what is given? Sector. Sector means if we are having this one radius, suppose I have taken it F. So OF is one radius and OB is one another radius, right? अब इस radius के बीच का this part, this is known as what? This we call sector. This we call what? Sector. So sector means the area. Sector means the area. Area covered under two radius, means under two radii. Okay, दो रेडियस के बीच में जो एरिया है, this area is known as what? Sector. So you can write it in this way. This one, sector FOB. Sector FOB. Okay. Then next is what? Segment. This is what? Minor sector, और ये वाला बाहर वाला जो हो गया, this is major sector. This is also of two types, minor sector and major sector. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो, ये दो रेडियस के बीच में जो स्मॉल एरिया है, that is minor, और this two रेडियस के बीच में जो दूसरा बड़ा एरिया है, that is known as major sector, right? Now come to the next, there is segment. Segment क्या होता है? Suppose we are having this chord, ठीक है? chord का जो ये एरिया है, this area, this is known as what? Sector. This is known as sector. Sorry, not sector. Sector is what? This one, no? This is sector, and this one is chord के बीच का जो एरिया रहता है, that is what? Segment. What? Segment. The last one term, segment. This is your segment. This is minor segment, and this जो बचा हुआ part है, that is what? Major segment. Okay, children? Okay, children. So understood what is sector? Radius के बीच का area, that is sector, and chord के बीच का area, that is what? Segment. You can define it: a part of circle enclosed by chord. Part of circle enclosed by chord. Chord के अंदर का जो area होता है, that is known as segment. Keep in mind this thing. कई बार बच्चों को 7th में आ जाते हैं, 8th में आ जाते हैं, लेकिन सर्कल के एलिमेंट्स का पता नहीं होता है। आपकी ये वीडियो सिर्फ 6th क्लास के लिए नहीं है। प्लीज watch 7th and 8th class also, because you should know what are the elements of circle. You should know this. Okay children, this is the basic concept. सबको पता होना चाहिए sector और segment में क्या difference है, right? Now see, one more thing is there. जैसे we have taken this diameter, right? तो diameter divides the circle. Diameter divides the circle in two equal halves. This one and this one, means this one and this one, right? So what does this diameter do? Diameter divides the circle into what? Semicircle. ठीक है, ये सेमी सर्कल हो जाएंगे। टू सेमी सर्कल्स मेक वन कंप्लीट सर्कल। Diameter divides the circle into two semicircle. Okay. One more thing is there. What is interior and what is exterior of the circle? Interior of the circle जो circle के अंदर है, and what is exterior means what is outside the circle, that is exterior of the circle. So children, all the important things about circle I just told you. Please keep in mind and share it to your friends. Subscribe and like my channel. Okay children, and जितना हो सके उतना आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कीजिए और इसको 2 से 3 बार देखिए ताकि आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ पाए. And if you are getting any problem in this topic, so please write in the comment box so that I can understand. Thank you and have a nice day.